Hi there, I'm John. Today, I will teach you how to live your passion. 1. Have good grades in your teen age. 2. Get a degree in the age of 21. 3. Try to have a good career in the age of 23. 4. Find your partner and get married in the age of 25. Do you know the crazy thing? I tell you that in a second. The society imposes this single, success formula on everybody. But you are born to be an individual. You don't have to be a money-making machine to be happy. Get motivated and dive into your passions. Travel every corner of the world. Explore new things. Tired of all the stress of the megalopolis? Visit to Pakistan. Become an adventurer, and see the hospitality of this country. Make your hobby your job. You don't have to be good at something to do it. Just leave your passion. Try to spend time with friends. You know what? The world is full of opportunities. You have your place. This was for today. Thanks for watching and for your support. If you like this video, please like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel.